Welcome children. Welcome to the grammar class. Today's topic is the article. The adjectives a or an and the are usually called articles. They are really demonstrative adjectives, sorry. There are two types of articles, a or an and the. A or an is the weakened form of one and is called indefinite article because it does not point out to any definite or particular person or thing. The is called the definite article because it points out some definite or particular person or thing. Generally, we find that an article is placed before a common noun in the singular number. For example, this is a pen. Here, a is the article. There is an umbrella. An is the article. I saw a jackal in the field. Here you see again a jackal, the field. The boy fell dead. The boy. So here in general we use the articles like this. Let us go a little deep. How to use a or an according to sound. Whether to use a or an depends on the sound of the word before which it is placed. First of all, an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound, as an ass, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an uncle. So you have here one person, one thing. We use the article a or an. So here we have started with an. So an is used before these words. Before a word beginning with H, which is not pronounced, and therefore the beginning sound of the word becomes a vowel sound, as an R. We don't say har, our. No, an R. An honest man. H is silent, you can say there. So, an honest man, an heir. Before a word beginning with H, when the accent is on the second syllable, as historic, heroic, hotel. So, there we use an historic novel. We find that there are two syllables, historic, historical novel. So the stress you find is on, accent is on the second syllable. An heroic deed, an hotel. This rule is now becoming obsolete. It is more usual to write a hotel, a heroic deed, a historic novel, though the use of an will not be wrong. So both are accepted these days. The next is before individual letters spoken with a vowel sound, as an MA, an MP, an SP. M is, sound is like M. S is like ES. But before BA, PM, GM, A is used. Here, MA, MP, SP. Here the sound is different. So these things you have to learn and keep it in mind. before a word beginning with consonant sound, as a woman, A is used. A woman. Up till now, we have seen how an is used, where an is used. Now we also will see how where A is used. A woman, a yard, a horse, a man. Before a word beginning with the consonant sound of U, though it may begin with a vowel letter. University, U. Here A is used. Although it is a vowel, still we use A here. We don't use an. A union, a usage, a useful thing, a European, a eulogy. Before a word with the sound of woo, though it may begin with the vowel letter. For example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed giant. Before a word beginning with the sound H, as a horse, a hero, a holiday. Now let us see where a or an are used according to the context. The definite article a or an is used in the sense of number 1 point number 1, numerical 1. Give me a mango, you say. Here a mango refers to one mango. When you want one mango, you say, give me a mango. A certain person. So again, I saw a beggar. He's a certain person. I saw a policeman. I saw a teacher. I saw a doctor, you can say like that. A class. A dog is a useful animal, representing the whole class of dogs. Here, the dog represents the whole class of dogs. The same, two of a trade seldom agree. The same trade. Two of a trade. Any. A child generally likes to play. A child generally likes to play here means any child. When a proper noun is used in the sense of a common noun. A Daniel, a very wise judge, comes to judgment. A Daniel comes to judgment. Here, a proper noun is used in the sense of a common noun. So anybody who comes as a wise judge is said to be a Daniel. There we use a Daniel. Certain quantity. Certain quantity, a lot of, a great deal of, a great many, a couple, a dozen. So see, a certain quantity is there. We use it. We use a there. Certain numbers, 100, 1,000,000. Before half. Before half. 1.5 kilos or 1.5 kilos. But 1.5 kilo is different. Before half, we use like that. So 1.5 kilos or 1.5 kilos. We say like that. A half day, a half holiday, a half share. So where the word half is there also we use a. Okay. Then price, speed, ratio. Rupees 10 a dozen. We use A. 60 kilometers an hour. 4 times a day. In such cases, we use A or an according to our need. An exclamation is there. What a long queue. A. What a pretty girl. Such a selfish man. What a fine day. So in this way, we use, when an exclamation is there, that time also we use a article, that is A. Now let us see the use of the definite article. The definite article according to the context. How do we use it? The definite article is used when we speak of a person, a particular person or thing, or one already mentioned or one well known to us. Before we go into it, let us see, first of all, the pronunciation of the. Normally, we pronounce the with a short sound. We say the. But when it comes before a vowel sound, we pronounce it as long. We say the. There are two ways of pronouncing it, the and the. When we wish to place emphasis on a particular word, we can use emphatic the. Whether or not the word begins with a consonant or vowel sound. For example, we can say the event, the car. So the difference is between whether it is a vowel or a consonant. So when we use the word before a vowel, then we pronounce it as the. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Any word with that. Otherwise, we say the. If it is vowel, we say the. If it is consonant, the. That thing you have to keep in mind. When we speak of a particular person or thing, or one already mentioned or one well known to us, as shut the box, call the boy. He promised to use the medicine I gave him. The girl entered a house. In the house lived a man who loved the girl. When we say shut the box, we know which box you mean. When we say call the boy, you know which boy you mean to call. When you say the medicine, you know which medicine. But you see in the next sentence, the third sentence, a girl entered a house. Who is that girl? We don't know. So we can't say that girl, the girl, we can't say. We just say a girl entered a house. Now we know which in the previous, the first part of the sentence, we have come to know. Here in the first sentence, we come to know that a girl entered a house. Now, in the house in which this girl entered. So in the house lived a man. Again, a man is who is a man, we don't know. We are not definite. Who loved the girl? We said a girl in the beginning, isn't it? Now she becomes the girl because we know, we are definite about it. Now, when a singular noun or an adjective of quality is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the lion is the king of beasts. So here the lion is something taken, it represents all the animals there. The rich are not always happy. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, group of islands, gulfs, canals, plains, deserts, winds, seasons. Also, we use the definite article. So, we say the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Persian Gulf, the Upper Jhelum Canal, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Sahara, the monsoon, the winter, the west wind, and so on. You have to remember those rules. If you by heart them, you'll not make mistakes. Before certain geographical names as the Punjab, the Deccan, the Highland, the United States, and so on. Before the names of certain books and scriptures as the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gulistan, the Bible, the Gita. But when we say Firdausi's Shahnama, Valmiki's Ramayana, there we don't say Firdausi's the Shahnama, we don't say. Valmiki's the Ramayana, we don't say. But only when we speak of those books, certain holy books or scriptures, there we use the Ramayana, the Bible, the Gita, the Vedas, like that, the Quran, like that. Before the names of ships, aeroplanes, well-known buildings, and newspapers, also we use the definite article. The Vikrant. Vikrant is the name of a ship, INS Vikrant. The Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Indian Express. Indian Express is the name of a paper. The Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, so on. Before superlatives, as he is the oldest man in our neighborhood. So, oldest. Old, older, oldest. Young, younger, youngest. Fast, faster, fastest. So all the superlative degrees, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees are there. So in all the superlative degrees, we use the definite article should be there. The oldest. Before names of things unique of their own kind, The sun is unique, only one sun. The moon, the earth, the sky, the equator, the sea, the ocean, the king, the governor, the prime minister, the principal. All are only one. They are unique. They are the only one of their kind. The is also used before other similar titles as the press, the army, the navy, the public, the bar. Before the names of important events, the Reformation, the Mutiny, the French Revolution, the Great War, and so on. Before an epithet attached to a personal proper name, Alexander the Great, George the Fifth, Edward the Eighth. When they write the name, Edward, Roman number will be there, isn't it? So Edward the Eighth, George the Fifth, Alexander the Great, Ashoka the Great, Akbar the Great, isn't it? Before an adverb with comparative, as the nearer the bone, the sweeter the meat. I'm not a bit the worse of my defeat. Similarly, we say all the best. In place of possessive adjectives, before the names of parts of the body, as I struck him on the head, not his head. His, we don't say I struck his head. No, I struck him on the head. Before a noun with special, when special emphasis is needed. Now is the time to escape. He is the authority on the Vedas. This is just the thing I wanted. Before the name of a nation and sometimes before the name of a community or a class of people. The Hindus, the English, the French, the Sikhs, the Jains, the Christians, so on. Before the names of Directions when such nouns are preceded by prepositions. The north, the south, the east, the west. Captain Cook went to the east. We don't, or Captain Cook went east, we say. Before an adjective, before an adjective, before an adjective in the comparative degree, when not more than two persons or things are being compared. John is the wiser of the two. Wiser is the comparative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. Wiser is the comparative degree. So when before an adjective in the comparative degree, when not more than two persons or things are compared. Here, John is wiser of the two. Two people are there. So John is wiser. In such case, we use the definite article. To make a proper noun common, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas also is a great writer. Shakespeare is also a great writer. As Shakespeare is good at English, in English he writes well, Kalidas writes in Sanskrit. So we make that proper noun. What is the proper noun here? Shakespeare is the name of a person, isn't it? And he is known for his writing. So that proper noun, we are making it common noun. What is it? We are making whoever writes well, he is compared to Shakespeare. So Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, we say. Mumbai is the London of the East. London is the name of a place. Mumbai is also name of the place. But Mumbai is equal to London. So to show that comparison, London is, which is a proper noun, becomes a common noun in this sentence, and it is compared to Mumbai. Before a common noun to give it the meaning of an abstract noun. At last, the father in him was stirred. Means the fatherly love in him. With the names of things typical of their class, as the pen is mightier than the sword. Don't play the fool, man. Before numerical adjectives. Before numerical adjectives showing order, as all the students of the 5th class were absent. See, where we have used the, before 5th we have used. Before a proper noun preceded by a more or less permanent adjective. The late Mr. Gokhale, the lovely Helen, late, lovely, all these are the adjectives given to them. So before that, we use the definite article. Before same and after, both, all, and half, we use the definite article. This is the same. Before same, we are using the. This is the same building. Both, the. After both also, we have to use definite article. Both the students belong to the same class. See, after both, we find the. Before same, also we find the. All the world knows this. After all also we are using it. After half also we are using it. Half the apples are rotten. So in many fixed phrases, as on the one hand, on the other hand, on the defensive, in the long run, on the march, in the way, in the long, all the same, and so on. That's all for today, children. Thank you.